Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some big news in healthcare to discuss. The FDA's groundbreaking decision to allow Florida to import prescription drugs from Canada. Let's dive into what this means for the US healthcare system. First, some context. The cost of prescription drugs in the United States has been a major concern for years. The US often sees much higher drug prices compared to other countries. For instance, some drugs cost nearly $400 per pill in Florida. In contrast, medicines in Canada can be nearly half the price of their US counterparts. The recent decision by the FDA marks a significant policy shift, overriding decades of opposition from the US pharmaceutical industry. This approval could pave the way for other states to consider similar measures. Florida's program focuses on importing certain prescription drugs used for treating conditions like HIV/AIDS, diabetes, hepatitis C, and mental illness. Florida estimates this program could save state taxpayers up to $150 million a year. But it's not just about cost savings. The FDA Commissioner, Robert Califf, emphasized that the program must demonstrate significant cost savings without compromising safety and effectiveness. Not everyone is thrilled, though. The Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America have expressed strong opposition, labeling the decision as reckless and hinting at potential legal action to prevent the policy's implementation. There's also a question about how this will impact Canada's healthcare system. In 2020, Canada banned the export of some medicines to avoid shortages. This move by Florida might reignite concerns over potential drug shortages in Canada. This decision by the FDA is a significant step in addressing the high cost of prescription drugs in the US, but it's clear that there are many layers to this issue, including industry opposition and international implications. As always, we'll keep an eye on how this develops. What are your thoughts on this decision? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this story and other health-related news. See you in the next video.